Just a year ago, my life looked completely different. I was caught in a cycle of financial stress and uncertainty. That was until I discovered the power of prosperity affirmations. Each morning, as the sun cast its first light, I began my day with a simple yet powerful ritual. Standing in front of my mirror, I would repeat, "I am a magnet for prosperity, and abundance flows towards me effortlessly." These words, at first, felt like mere whispers in a storm. But as days turned into weeks, something incredible started to happen. I noticed a shift in my mindset. The constant worry about money began to fade, replaced by a sense of confidence and positivity. "Wealth and success are my natural states," I affirmed with growing conviction. Opportunities started to appear in the most unexpected places. A chance meeting led to a lucrative freelance project. An old colleague reached out with a job offer that was just what I had been hoping for. It was as if the universe was conspiring to bring me abundance. With each affirmation, "My actions create constant wealth and success," I felt more empowered to take proactive steps. I honed my skills, expanded my network, and took on challenges I would have shied away from before. Now, reflecting on my journey, I am living proof of the power of prosperity affirmations. My financial situation has done a complete turnaround. But more importantly, I have cultivated an abundance mindset that continues to open doors for me. I share my story to inspire others. If you're standing where I once was, know this: prosperity affirmations can be the key to unlocking a life of abundance. Start today and watch your world transform.